Hi, thanks for choosing Scooters. Would you like to try a warm Caramelicious muffin? Most often the answer is no. But today we have a special going on for you to come back behind the bar and see how your drink is made. Today, when talking about how to make an iced Caramelicious, we are going to go over what you need to make it, how to make it, and then the benefit of knowing how to make your own coffee. The first thing that you're going to need is caramel sauce. So Scooters does sell their caramel sauce, but any caramel sauce will work. You also need caramel sauce for the top of it. And then the next thing you're gonna need is espresso. Now I get not everyone has an espresso machine. Scooters has the Frankie brand espresso machines. If you do have an espresso machine, you can buy the espresso beans from Scooters. They have like 12-ounce bags, and then they have huge like 5-pound bags that we can grind up for you. The next thing that you're gonna need is milk. The normal milk that comes with an iced Caramelicious is 2%, but any milk works, and we also have like other non-dairy milks and like skim milk. The next thing you're gonna need is ice, and then whipped cream and caramel drizzle. Scooters uses the same caramel sauce that they use for like the actual coffee. We just put it in a drizzle bottle. Now we're gonna get into how to make it. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna start off pulling what we call pulling your shots. For a large, it's 3 shots of espresso, and then if you were actually in a Scooters, you'd walk over to like the stand with all of our syrups and sauces. And for a large Caramelicious, it's 4 pumps of caramel sauce. A medium is 3, and a small is 2. For syrups, it's 3, 4, and 5 for small, medium, large. Then you're gonna put your cup of flavoring under the espresso machine, and it takes, depending on the espresso machine and how old it is it can take like 15 seconds sometimes, and it also depends on how many shots of espresso you pull. The most I've seen somebody get in one coffee is 6 extra shots, which is 9 shots of espresso, which is like 400 something milligrams of caffeine. Then what you're going to take after the shot is pulled, you're going to take your milk and fill it up to the second line. So on the actual cup, the first line is for like quenchers. That's how much we fill up our juice to. And then the second line is for ice drinks. I'm going to fill it all the way up because I don't have ice. But this is actually the same brand Scooters uses. So you can buy it from Super Saver. And then, so after you add your milk and then ice, you're going to add your topping. And then you're going to add your caramel drizzle. But I do not have caramel drizzle. And then you're going to put your lid on. And then it's ready to hand out the window. Oops. The next thing we're going to be going over, we're going to scoot into what the benefits of knowing how to make your own coffee at home. The first benefit is the high cost of coffee. This drink right here, if you bought it from Scooters, would be $6.90 without any ads or extras. Like, for say the person who got 9 shots of espresso, that'd be $6 extra because it's $1 per extra shot, extra pump of caramel sauce, and cold foam. The average coffee drink is $7, and if you get 1 coffee every day without any ads or extras in it, that'd be $2,555 a year. And that's if you don't get any extras or like cold foam on top. Another one of the benefits of knowing how to make your own coffee is you can personalize it a lot more. because these are the same unless you ask for a change, like different milk. Like we have almond milk, oat milk, skim milk, coconut milk. The average coffee place is, according to medium.com, is 4 times the cost of if you made it at home. And places like Starbucks or Scooters are up to 5 times, depending on what you get. The average person spends $1,000 yearly on coffee, and that's if you get it like just a couple of times a week instead of every day, like a lot of people drink their coffee, and some people do come multiple times a day. Now we're going to take a recap and go over what we learned today. The first thing you learned is what is needed to make one, then how to make a nice Caramelicious, and then the benefits of knowing how to make your own coffee. I hope this lesson was amazingly fast, and have a good day.